Hey everyone, this is Lynette Proch, a solutions consultant at TriMech. In today's video, we are going to be asking the questions, are drawings the same in SOLIDWORKS Cloud as they are in SOLIDWORKS Desktop? So we can see here, I have my SOLIDWORKS Desktop with this little part over on the left, and I also have that same part opened in xDrawing, which is going to be the app we're going to be using to create 2D drawings, over on the right. This is the same part. They're modeled the exact same way. So let's talk about how this is going to differ a little bit. When we are using desktop SOLIDWORKS, we have a couple of different file types, right? We have our part files, those PRT files. We have drawing files, those DRW files. So we're going to create those part files and then import them onto our drawing file. In xDrawing, it's going to be a little bit different. We don't have multiple files. All of the file is all just one file. And it actually just depends on what app I'm in. So if I'm modeling, if I'm creating something, I might be in xDesign or xSheetMetal, versus if I need to create a 2D drawing or just add dimensions to our model that we're going to want to export to send to someone else, I'm going to be using the app called xDrawing. So first, let's take a look at SOLIDWORKS Desktop. Alright, so I have this part created, and where things are going to feel a bit similar if you use one, SOLIDWORKS Desktop versus SOLIDWORKS Cloud, is if in SOLIDWORKS Desktop you have done MBD before. So MBD is model-based definition, or if you've just used model items. So if you use model items, which is importing dimensions directly from our part files into our drawing files. So we can see here I've made some annotation views that we can activate and reorient. Right, so I have a couple of views here with these model items set up. Let's move a 6 over. All right, and so then I can switch over into my drawing and use my view palette, and any view that has the A is going to import my annotation. So if I just drag and drop that in, we can see I've created a view and have added all those dimensions already from that those model items, already in here. So again, this is where it's going to feel a bit familiar because xDrawing is very, very based in MBD, in model-based definition. So let's take a look. Let's pin this so we can see what's going on, and we can see it's going to look a little bit different, but the concept is still kind of there. We're going to create some different views, using our view creation, right? And then in these views, I'm going to add these different dimensions that I want to be on our 2D drawing. So once I create those views, I have those annotations that I need set up, I can create my 2D drawing. And then I can just drag and drop the view that I need. And we can see here, just like we had seen in our desktop SOLIDWORKS, I'm able just to drag and drop this view in here, and I have all those dimensions. So this is, again, a little bit different, because before we were talking about model items. Here we're talking more about annotation sets and adding views. But at the end of the day, we have our drawing. We have a 2D drawing with the dimensions that we need, and we can see we can compare directly to our SOLIDWORKS drawings. So our question at the beginning of this was, hey, is SOLIDWORKS desktop drawings the same as SOLIDWORKS Cloud drawings? The answer is kinda. So we get the same output, right? So we both end up with 2D drawings if we need, but xDrawing is more, we have those model-based definitions really easy. It's kind of more where that's based out of, versus desktop SOLIDWORKS when we're talking about more of a 2D space. So they have some differences, but we can end up with the same product. So whatever you need, if you have any questions or you want to have more discussions about your 2D drawings in SOLIDWORKS Desktop or in SOLIDWORKS Cloud, feel free to reach out to us. We'd love to help you out. All right, have a great day, and thanks for watching.